All right, here we're still working with the area of a sector of a circle, but our questions are a little bit different. It says find the area of the sector where r is 10 and s is 7. Now s, remember, that's our arc length. Okay, so this time they've given us arc length and the radius. Well, what do we need in order to find what they're asking for? The formula for the area of a sector is 1/2 r squared times theta. So we need to have the radius and we need to know the measure of theta. They gave us the radius, so far I know I have 1/2 times, my radius was 10 squared, but I don't have theta. I'm going to use the fact that the arc length is 7 centimeters to find theta, and I'll go from there. Okay, so let's look down here. We have the formula for the area of, or excuse me, the arc length, if you've forgotten it, is S is equal to R times theta. So that's for arc length that we did in our last lesson. Put in the information we know. We know the arc length is 7. We know the radius was 10. We don't know theta. That's what we were hoping to find. So I solve this for theta. To do that, I would have to divide both sides by 10. And I get theta is 0.7. So now I have all of the information I need to find the area of the sector. I have the radius and theta in radians. I know it's still in radians because in the formula for arc length it had to be in radians also. So I just put in, now that I know my theta is 0.7, I put that in the formula, and then I calculate 1/2 times 100 times 0.7. Okay, and the area of that sector is about 35, exactly 35 square centimeters. Okay. This one has the same type of information, it's just written a little differently, and it says find the area of the sector. So again, we're going to need our formula for the area of the sector of a circle, which is right down here. Area is 1/2 r squared theta, where r is the radius, and theta is the measure of the central angle in radians. So what do we have? We want to replace, we need area, 1/2 we can throw in there. The radius, it says, was x. So where radius was, I'm going to put an x. I don't have my theta though. Again, they gave me s, which is my arc length. So I use the formula for arc length. Arc length s equals r times theta. I put in the two things they gave me, which was my radius and my arc length. Okay, so arc length s is 3x, so I replace the x with a 3x. My radius r was x, so I replace the r with the x and put theta. Okay. We want to solve for theta, so I'm going to divide both sides by x. And when I do, notice I just get that theta is 3. I can bring it back over here, put it into my formula for the area of a sector. So I have 1/2 times my radius, which was x, squared, times theta, which we found to be 3. We multiply those. 3 times 1/2 is 3/2. X squared is just x squared. So the area of this sector that they described would be 3/2 x squared